Greetings, my intrepid chemistry sleuths. I have just received this mysterious note. It reads, I am imprisoned in the basement of Acid Base Manor. I need someone who can help explain the properties of each in order to help me escape. Please, 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 please come and rescue me. Sincerely, Lord Ackbar. P.S. This is not a trap. Sounds legit to me. Not Dan is on the case. I have arrived here at Acid Base Manor to find no clues. Except for this one, right here. It says, to whomever finds this note, Lord Ackbar is mine. Unless, of course, you actually know something about acids and bases, in which case, answer this puzzle. Which of these substances tastes sour and feels sticky without touching or tasting either one? If you answer correctly, the door will open and you will be free to solve the next puzzle. Alright, let's see here. What can I do? There is a piece of litmus paper right here. I shall simply tear it in half and start over here in this liquid, and as you can see, it turns pink, meaning this one is the acid. Over here, place it in here, and the litmus paper turns blue, meaning this one is the base. And if I remember correctly, the acid is the one that tastes sour and feels sticky, whereas the base tastes bitter and feels slippery. And there it is, I have solved the puzzle, and the door has opened. I shall see you in the next scene. Welcome to the next scene, which is clearly not the same set with the lights out. It is clearly a different room because we have another note. It says, congratulations on making it through the last puzzle. Here is the next one. Which of these substances conducts electricity? Well, that's a very simple task, especially since they've given me an electrical conductivity tester. So we shall start with the acid and place it in, and as you can see, the lights do turn on. Let's rinse it off in the water, and we try the base. The lights come on again. So clearly, both acids and bases conduct electricity. Why? Well, because they are both made of ions. Yes, it is ions that are necessary in order to conduct electricity, which means that both the acid and the base are ionic compounds. And look at that! The door has opened for the next clue. I shall see you then. Well, here I am at the site of the last puzzle, which is clearly not the same spot as the other two. And this one also has a note. It reads, congratulations on making it this far. One final puzzle to release Lord Ackbar. Tell me which of these two substances reacts with metal. Well, fortunately, I always come prepared, and I happen to have 2 pieces of magnesium metal with me. So I shall drop it in each one, and then we shall make some observations. Starting with the base here, as we lift this up, and you can see not really much of anything, because nothing's happening. It's simply floating around. Actually, it sank down to the bottom, as you can see there, and it's not doing anything. The acid, on the other hand, as you can clearly see, sort of, There it is floating around on the top and bubbling around because it is reacting with the acid. Yes, so acids react with metal, bases do not. So, where is Lord Ackbar? Another note. It says, Mr. Nordan, thank you so much for releasing me. When you solved that final riddle, a secret door opened and I was released. I am forever in your debt, Lord Ackbar. Well, that's it for me. Cue the end sign. Wait a minute. There's more to this note. I am sorry to say that this particular prison must always have a prisoner. So when you released me, you became the new inhabitant of Acid Base Manor. My regrets, it is a trap. Ackbar!